Hey guys, here's what's at the restore today. Here's this Westinghouse with a blender tied to it. Neil brought that back here because he thought the blender was part of it. Another one of these generic things. Same stuff that was here. There was a winnower that was here on Tuesday that showed up at like the very end of the day. I didn't get to look at it or do it in the video. And it was polished brass and cane close mount and ornate. And I wanted to take a look at that, but I can't find it. It's not in the scrap, it's not in any of the bins, so I don't know what happened to it. Grant's working on this craft made here. Stay out of Pete's way there. This is still here, it got moved over here. This Summer Breeze came in today, it came out of a restaurant. DC-42 is still here. Marble fan and the CEC are still here. One of these little Harbor Breezes is still here. This Hunter came in today. These two Newtone low profiles also came out of the restaurant. First time I've ever seen one of these up close. They're made by the same factory as Heritage and as late 90s Encons, which were both very terrible fans. But these seem to be a little better quality. The blades are much nicer quality. The motors, I don't know because I've never seen them in action. But I was surprised that they were made by such a cheap factory. These two are still here. There's Pete doing something. These are still here. This Homestead's still here. This with the cool light kit's still here. These two are still here. Another one of these is still here. This thing came in today. This Delta 2 came in today and Grant put it up for sale. You know, I usually put these on the back pile, but if he puts them out for sale, then I leave them just like the Homestead. Let's see if it sells at that price, though. I marked it up. He only had 20 bucks on it, but, you know, we'll see if it sells, and if not, we'll, mark it down or put it in back. Grant's fan is still here. That Emerson subway fan is still here. Okay. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.